my name is Candy. I'm a local realtor here in Central Florida. I'm here to show you this beautiful place. We got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful open concept, huge lot. The square footage is about 1580. The price is amazing, but stick around to the end so you can know more about the price. Hey guys, come take a look with me. As you can see, we have beautiful finishing touches. I love gray, and I just feel like this gray is just perfect with the white. Gives a very modern look. As we step in here, you can see we have an open floor concept going on here. Beautiful color cabinets, granite countertops, very open space. A lot of natural lighting coming in here, guys. You can set up your living room right here. Here's coming from the kitchen side, so you can take a better look. And you can set up your dining area over there, and again your living room right here. Now we're stepping into the first bedroom, which is facing the front of the house. Again, a lot of natural lighting here. And here's your closet space. This would be the shared bathroom between the 3 bedrooms and your guests. Beautiful colors, granite countertops as well here. And the second bedroom. And a lot of natural lighting here as well. And here's your closet space. Open here, we have the garage, which is a 2-car garage. A lot of space, guys. Right up the garage, we have the laundry room area. And as we step back here, we go into the master bedroom, which again, a lot of natural lighting, and you can certainly fit a king size bedroom setting here. And here you have your closet, which actually goes into the right. And here we have the bathroom with a double sink for his and hers. Beautiful. This would be the last bedroom, which again you can use as an office space. Could be a guest bedroom, could be a playroom for your kids, and you have your closet right here. Alright guys, so here's the best part. As I stated before, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, we're looking at $267,000, guys. I mean, amazing price, amazing location. We're about an hour away from Orlando. There's so many new things. Ocala is growing every day. So many new things happening, so much construction, so many new places. So please don't hesitate to reach out. If you like it, if you know of anyone that may like it, please like, share, and subscribe for more information. And I will be coming out with so many other videos, so many other homes that I'm sure you will love. So please feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching. Hello everyone.